definitely another tutorial.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my makeup, obviously. And I don't know if this is going to be a chit chat or a tutorial or a review, because I do have some new products I want to try. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Set. This stuff is amazing. Anyway, so let me show y'all the goodies I got from MAC. First things first, my Fix Plus. I always use this every single last tutorial. Then I got a pencil, which I already used. This is the Eye Kohl in Fascinating. It's a white pencil. I got that because I keep seeing Lauren use white eyeliner. Raggedy Royal on Instagram. She uses white eyeliner all the time. Then I got my Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark. And these two new goodies from MAC. This lipstick is called Sugar Dada. Loud and Clear collection is what it's called. So like they have clear packaging. I don't know if I'll be wearing this today. We will see. And then the eyeshadow that I got, which I haven't gotten a pot like this in a long time. I usually like to buy the pans because they're more affordable and I can replace them a lot easier because of that. So this eyeshadow is called Bougie Babe. I love a warm rust looking color. So let's get started on my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and use my go-to ABH Brow Defining Pencil. So I have, because my eyebrows are actually really long, they actually come all the way out here, and I'm growing them out. I've just been flicking the product through the little gaps. Nothing crazy. And brushing the hairs up really gives me a shape at the top, so I don't have to worry about that. And I just flick it through. And I like a bit of a messier brow, not so precise. I'm kind of getting over the clean not having hair down there, because it really doesn't matter to me. Now that we've got our brows on, I'm going to take this brush. This is the number 20 from ABH with my Granite brow powder. And I've told y'all before how I do this. I just go on top of hairs that are already there for the most part and create a shadow. And this just further emphasizes the whole, you know, my brows but better. That's what people say when they talk about natural makeup. It's your skin but better. They're your lips but better. It's your edges but better. You know, it's makeup. It's what it is. It's maquillaje. So I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics Super Moisturizing Concealer. I feel like more hydrating products are better for my skin anyway, because when products are dry, they're dry on my skin. Does that make any sense? And if they're dry on my skin, then my skin is dry. And this brush that I'm using, by the way, is always listed in my description. Always. Always. So if you want to know what it is, just open the description and it should say cut crease brush. It's $3. I use it for my cut creases and I use it for my brows. I'm so glad that doing brows has become so much less complicated for me, because I remember filling in my eyebrows and being so frustrated, and you know, I got to the point one time where I just didn't care, and I would fill them in, and regardless of how they looked, I would just wear them. And now they're so easy, so simple, and they look great. Girl, it looked like I got real eyebrows, sis. Like, oh, her eyebrows is full. They're not. Okay, I'm going to prime my eye with the ABH eyeshadow primer. It's this right here. If you don't have some, you need to get some, sis. It doesn't matter if you like colorful eyeshadow or neutral. Your eyeshadow will stay on. So I'll be right back. Grab all my brushes. So I'm going to be using, obviously, this color, and then I may pick some things from the Amrezy palette. We gonna see. We gonna see. I'm gonna take my Morphe R34 brush. I like how much smoother MAC eyeshadows have become since they allegedly reformulating. Ooh. Y'all see why I like this color so much? Girl. She is cute, and I'm glad I got my own. Because when I tried it out, I was in the store, and obviously that's not mine, so I can't dig into it like I want to. We're gonna see. And I'm just gonna soften this little border that I made. That's cute. Hope I can do the same thing on the other eye, because my other eye is a little bit more hooded. The skin's a little bit more loose. Honestly, I don't even need any extra colors, but I'm probably gonna add some anyway. That is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this A26 brush from ABH. I'm gonna use the shade New Yorker, and I don't need a lot of this at all, which is why I'm using this really nice fluffy brush to pick it up. I just want an additional color to transition before, you know, you see my concealer. That's all. But yeah, that shade, Bougie Babe, this right here, that's cute. See? Ooh, ooh. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ES06 brush from Juno & Co. So I'm going to take the shade Wasted. Tap that off, and I'm gonna put Wasted right here. Okay, so I feel bad for the people who get tired of cut creases, because I'm like, I know y'all are sick of seeing it, honey, but it's not necessarily that some of us need cut creases, but when you open your eyelid and you can't see the color that you put on, it's hard to not want to wear a cut crease. And I'm just gonna lay this. I'm gonna use Leo. That's the blue right there. I'm just gonna put Leo right here. And this brush right here makes it so easy to lay colors down, to cut my crease. And then I'm going to blend Leo out. Like soften it towards the inner corner instead of having a nice harsh line, you know? And I'm going to use my ring finger to apply more so that it's even across my lid. And then I'm just going to sweep across the edges here so that's nice and soft for me going back and adding more of Bougie Babe. Bougie Babe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in Jet. and I'm going to create a line. So I'm taking the number 3 brush from Anastasia, and I'm just going to come around where the blue and the brown kind of sort of meet. You really want to open your eye and make sure this goes exactly where you want it. And I'm laying the brush flat like that. And then I just pull it across my eye. Ugh. I love this eyeliner so much because, first of all, it's waterproof. And secondly, it's so creamy. And so black. Oops, I made the line a little too. But yeah, it's so black and so creamy. And so easy to apply. It's also easy to blend out. So now what I'm going to do is fill in this little gap right here. And you can honestly do a few things with this. You can smoke the edges out, like I'm going to do. Or you can create this like funky winged liner situation. So I'm going to take this Thrive Cosmetics eyeliner smudging brush. And I'm holding it at an angle and I'm pulling downwards. And this is going to blend that black in and out. Another thing I like about this liner too is I don't usually need to add black on top of it. Whereas when I've used other cream eyeliners, I have to wear black on top to make sure that it doesn't move and also to make it look more black. I don't have to do that with this. I'm going to take Keep Palm and I'm going to take Party and mix them together, and then I'm going to apply them using my MAC mixing medium. And I'm going to tap this glitter. The brush I'm using is a 239 brush. Also from MAC. I've had these brushes forever, in case y'all are wondering. And I just want to get close to that line. Yes! Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Can we see? Are we visible? Here, let me take my brush. Use my brush to focus my camera. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I honestly had fun filming. I was not in the mood to film today, but alas, here we are. We did it. We made it. You know, got my signature cut crease situation going on that I like to do, you know. And what did I try today? Oh, so the stuff that I tried today. Ooh, this gloss is so sticky. Like, they need to put it in a tube with a wand. This eyeshadow, she's cute. She's soft. She's pigmented. Y'all saw it? And it's called Bougie Babe. I think this is limited edition. I don't know if this is going to be part of MAC's permanent collection of eyeshadows, because you know they're coming out with a ton of new ones this year. But if you like a good transition shade, this is a good one to have. They might have it in Pro Pan. You know, loving my lashes, loving my base. Okay, comment down below if you would wear this look, these eyes or these lips, or maybe even these brows. Let me know. Where would you wear them? How often? I'm calling. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe right here and then watch the next video because it's free. And share this video with your homies. Duh. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.